Hey guys, welcome to Hanaa Hacks AI. In this video, you're going to learn how to use a new AI tool or a new AI prompt, a new way of you using AI that will simply make your life easier. So today what I want to talk to you about is how to make AI your own personal coach. Now, obviously, the coach industry is something that is well respected for, and no one is going to replace them. Definitely not AI. But often, in the midst of your work, you're feeling very overwhelmed. You want to talk to someone, and in that moment, there's of course your coach is not available or your partner is not available. So, I would say AI is a very good tool to use to voice it out, to vent it out. And there's a good prompt that I actually use that we'll be putting it here in the video. It's a prompt that goes something like act as my coach or my personal therapist, and let's talk it through, ask me certain questions that will make me think about the situation. And then the AI will just sort of, prompt you when it's needed. But what this activity really does it to have that safe space where you can just sort of talk it out, voice note, or you could be messaging, or you could be even doing a video call, and sort of just let it all out. Just talk about the whole situation in detail, how you're feeling, what happened, who said what, the whole thing. And then the AI will just give you certain questions, certain prompts, certain triggers that will clear your thoughts and make things more clearer to you, and definitely calm you down. So that's a little hack that I've also used in the past that has helped me in a lot of situations. So that's my little hack to you, and of course a prompt will be given to you as well. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're still here, thank you for watching Hanaa Hacks AI. Stay tuned for more video and for more content coming from Leaderpreneur on how to build innovative leaders in the age of AI.